And we have some news just coming in. Well, businessman Adani has lauded the role of Desi Defence in Operation Sindoor, has spoken about how our drones were eyes in the skies. Our drones were swords of attack, delivered when India needed us the most, is what Gautam Adani has said. On the involvement of Gautam Adani Group, the Adani Group in Operation Sindoor.
Operation Sindoor called and we delivered. Our drones became the eyes in the skies as well as the swords of attack, and our anti-drone systems help protect our forces and citizens. As I have always believed, we don't operate in a safe zones. We operate where it matters, where India needs us the most.
I'm going straight across to Sakshi Batra for more details on that story. This was Adani Defence drones that were part of Operation Sindoor, and that's what he is referring to at this point in time. Sakshi?
Absolutely, and there are some other statements also which are of extreme importance. Sneha, for the first time, Gautam Adani has talked about in this AGM as a response to all those allegations that were made in November of last year as far as the US SEC is concerned, the allegations of bribery on Adani Green is concerned. He has finally talked about how the Adani Group has gone through a lot of trials during this entire term, yet again proved on their financials, profitability, and he has consistently talked about that despite all the noise, the fact that no one from Adani Group has been charged with violating the FCP or conspiring to obstruct justice is a clear statement from him coming in. He also said that we are living in a world of negativity, often echoes louder than the truth, and he said that they are already cooperating with all the legal processes. He's also restated that their governance is of global standards and their compliance frameworks are non-negotiable. Those are extreme important statements coming in. He is responding for the first time ever after the US SEC had charged them of allegations with bribery.
Sakshi, we are breaking it this hour just to tell our viewers, and I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. This is for the first time that a clarification of this kind has been issued. Gautam Adani says no foreign corruption charge, no charge of obstructing justice. Adani has spoken out on US bribery charges that Sakshi was also just referring to. This is a significant statement. But before I come to you, Sakshi, listen in once again to what Gautam Adani said as far as the US charges on bribery and fraud related to a project is concerned.
Last year, when we faced allegation from the US Department of Justice and the SEC relating to Adani Green Energy, despite all the noise, the facts are that no one from the Adani Group has been charged with violating the FCPA or conspiring to obstruct justice.
It's a big statement that has been made by Gautam Adani. I'm going to go back to Sakshi for more details. He's been charged essentially with fraud, but he says there was no case, issuing a clarification essentially.
Absolutely, Sneha. This is going to be of extreme importance because remember, US SEC had already asked this calendar year, early in February, that they seek Indian authorities' help for the investigation of Adani Group founder Gautam Adani and his nephew over the alleged securities fraud and a $265 million bribery scheme. And after that, these statements are now coming in, and this will be of extreme importance for all the legal process that is going to be following. He's clearly talked about that none of the charges are against FCPA. He's also said that nothing has been done to obstruct justice from their end, and this is going to be taken in as part of the legal process going forward from here. You can actually see the Adani Group stocks right from the morning today. They were all up in trade. Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Total Gas, Adani Green, all of them have been reacting to these statements that have been made by Gautam Adani. So this is going to be definitely important for us to track going forward into the legal processes that will follow.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Sakshi Batra getting in those details of putting that story and that important statement by Gautam Adani into perspective for us.